Hello fellows! Today we are going to learn how to make this type of mouse trail. Without further ado, let's get started. Select the Scratch Cat sprite and delete all the costumes. Create a new costume. You can choose any shape. I chose a circle. The red color isn't necessary, but you do need a color that is not black or white. Then put this first block of code. Then this one. And boom! It works. It also works with lines, squares, text, and any shape you can draw. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates and tutorials.